Okay, well, the setup's not complete, but this will have to do for now. It's Friday the 17th, and we've got some new products that I was lucky enough to be able to get my hands on. So let's go ahead and you'll have to excuse any sort of camera shaking or audio feedback. I thought about getting all three of them, but personally, I wasn't quite as big a fan of the Articuno promo. I'll probably end up getting it eventually. Get these promos sleeved up. And get the plastic out of the way. Centering's a little off on this one, but otherwise looks pretty good. That's a little better. Just before this, I actually finished up watching the live stream of Cool Trainer Ryan opening some of these up. I'm not sure how many he opened up actually. Kind of lost count. And we're gonna skip commons. That's a nice way to start the video out. That's a very nice. Wow. That's actually the second one of these I've pulled. It's amazing. It's actually funny because during the live stream with Cool Trainer Ryan, I made a point to mention that I was about to start recording myself doing the very same thing, and he and Sean, or Pokeball, wished me good luck. Maybe it worked. Maybe. Watch me not get anything else. Looks like there's something. We'll take a reverse darkness. I wouldn't mind pulling the Friends in Sinnoh or the Secret Rare Pikachu, or the Ilsa Sparkles. I mean, obviously, it'd be nice to get an Arceus or Giratina or Mewtwo. There's something in this one too. Not in the mains, not in the reverse slot, but and if you're curious, this one is the Moltres pin. Absolutely, and I will help you with that in just a second. YOLO. We'll try to speed through this. Halfway through, and that's already quite a few hits. The first pack. The first pack. Wow. Eh, had to hit a dud eventually, I suppose. I'm gonna run out of room. Did it count that right? I think so. I was hoping to pull another gold card, but mana fee, and I didn't even know that card was in this set. Was hoping to pull another gold card, but considering what I have pulled thus far, I can't really complain. Alright, last pack. And then I will really quickly go through the hits and in the video, because my son would like some crackers, in case you didn't hear. Oh, we've got something. Please be the Mewtwo Beastar. Well, hope you liked the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell, and stick around for more Crown Zenith. Definitely more.